We are at the Life Ready Center, formerly the Tomlinson Middle School. Very excited about this project. Hopefully 6 months it'll be finished. We're building a vocational agricultural mechanical shop. This will be something for all the high schools to use across the district. So all students will have access to this, all of our vocational agriculture students. The hope is we get them more opportunities to learn to weld and fabrications and just some of the things you do in normal day-to-day. And in some cases, it'll encourage our students to take career tech classes later on and so forth. Again, most high schools have mechanical shop. Mech shop is what they call it. We don't have one at either one of the 3 high schools, so we're excited that now all of our high school kids will have it, because like we talk about all the time, we want to create opportunities and knock down roadblocks, and we really believe this will create opportunities for a lot of our high school students. Thanks again to the McMahon Foundation. They made a $500,000 donation that's paying for a large portion of the cost, and so we're, you know, it's this great when you got a community and the different foundations and the different groups that support Lawton Public Schools and help create these opportunities for our students.